So I wanted to kind of give a demo of the fact that the file service is running on dev. So I'd created this Plunker. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Plunker, but it's a web tool that allows you to do JavaScript type code. So I threw together this Angular application, and I've given it to the mobile app team so they can use this as a guideline for what the file service needs. But in this case, I have my little scripts here. You'll see that I have an upload file and a download files, and they're both pointing at sbdev. And since I'm on the VPN, I can do it through the browser here. And I will demonstrate uploading a file. So I already did it once a little earlier. So I'm going to choose a file here, and I'm going to change that to a local image, so that I'm going to upload an image to the file service. Hit upload me, and I should get a file service response. So this is the response that the file service gave that's running on dev. Success, create, local JPEG saved to local storage. Here's the GUID that was assigned, and here's the custom metadata that the China project needs so far. So far, just customer ID and status, which will allow them to search on these two fields because of that that Oracle JSON capability. So again, this is all I've been given. This is all that Mark Moykins established that he needs additionally as far as custom data. That's why I want the Odyssey project to start up to see if there's anything else. Mark and I looked through it, and it doesn't look like they'll need anything other than that to do searches and so on. But you won't know until somebody starts working on it. But anyway, so this is now uploaded to the file service, and I think I did it locally here. So let me look in my call. Yeah, this is the call. The way the mobile and Odyssey would have to do their REST call. That passed the client key, in this case China, the file. Storage type, I did do local, but you can have it S3 or local and S3 or whatever. The file type in this case is a fiddle test, whatever, it's Plunker test. Country is US in this case. And then here's the customized data, just sending it as a JSON object. So that got sent back, and we had this file GUID sent back. So on that, on my index page, I have a download of an image here in this case. So I'm going to replace the GUID that I have, which is what's displaying this cloud, with the one I just uploaded. And when I do that, Plunker should automatically update. Let me copy this again. Copy and paste. Okay, so now it should go out, yeah, and it just called the file service, and it pulled this back down. So that's the beginning and ending of the file service. It's it's doing everything that it's supposed to be doing, and it's running on dev. So yeah, and right now on dev, because Oracle wasn't ready for this, I talked to Rob Frazier, and he was okay with my spinning up Oracle on AWS until he could provision the instance, which is going to be done today for testing. And so the dev instance is actually pointing at Oracle in the cloud, the 12.0 instance. And other than that, once he gets that provisioned, all I have to do is go in there in the application properties and change that to point at the local copy. But I also, I have this running in Bamboo, and everything's ready to go on this basically. So I figured I should show you this, and hopefully that'll allay some of your fears about where we're at. All right, so I'm going to stop this.